So it is finally here. For those of you that have been waiting on hopefully getting a Cybertruck this year, I'm happy to say you can now not only lease one, but you can lease it with the $7,500 tax credit, plus that $2,000 off referral code. We will drop ours below. We appreciate you using it, which would now bring a non-Foundation Series Cybertruck to right around or right under $72,000 with your acquisition fee and all that. There's a way to go about getting the $7,500 tax credit through a lease and then instantly do a lease buyout. And that is the way to go if you are currently looking at getting a Cybertruck. For those of you that don't know, these are not eligible for purchase yet through the tax credit that will be coming here soon. However, that is a workaround with the leases. Now, it is not that hard to do. There is actually Cybertrucks in inventory. If you are looking to get one, you can probably place an order and get one before the end of the year, depending on your location, which is actually pretty crazy. I think it's awesome that this is actually happening now with these lease buyouts. This is the way to go if you're getting a Cybertruck. Obviously, we had ours since February. This is a Foundation Series, so we paid substantially more than what you can get one for today, minus with some of the tweaks, the rims, the Foundation badging, the white interior, some of those accessories that are not now included, but that's not here nor there. If you're looking at just getting a Cybertruck in general, or even a Cyber Beast, this is the way to do it. So we have been using this as our daily driver for a number of months now, specifically 10 actually, exactly. And it has been a pleasure to use. It is still very polarizing for those people not familiar with what Cybertruck really is. And yes, it is crazy how often that does happen, but from a ride standpoint and just all of the space in these vehicles, it has been a pleasure to use. So if you're looking at getting one, don't double think yourself, pick one up. It is awesome. As you can see here, let me turn this down. It is very spacious. We actually have a Starlink mount on our roof here as well that we use when traveling, but the quality in this vehicle has been really great. There have been a number of recalls though. Those issues should all be fixed by now, luckily, so you won't have to deal with that. But as you can see, it is held up very well. And again, there is the Foundation badging that will not be there unless you do get a Foundation Series that are actually still in inventory as well. So that's something else to consider. If you have not fully seen the truck beds, you can get a look here and plenty of room. It is a 6-foot truck bed, so you can actually do some heavy lifting if you wish, with obviously the sub trunk that we have one of the jump seats for and the actual dividers for that came with the Foundation Series. So there is plenty of room. Moving on past that, obviously we have our charging port on the side, these 34-inch tires. Yes, it's weird, not 35s, but these seats on this side, if you didn't notice when we went in, they all fold up and you can see all of the room you have to climb through or put any items you might need in. The doors open up at 90 degrees. It just makes this a very nice travel vehicle, work truck, whatever you want to say. Steer-by-wire is second to none and really does make driving this feel like nothing. I will call out, depending on when you get yours, this rivet fix that they put in for the accelerator pedal is trash. I don't think they should do that on a $100,000 car or any vehicle in Tesla's price range. I think that's kind of junky. But yeah, the windshield wiper that everyone was critical of is perfectly fine. It doesn't affect anything. It works perfectly well. Again, one of those many things there was a recall on. However, that motor is fixed and there's no issues there. And then you obviously have Tesla's frunk as always, and it does actually house basically a bag of golf clubs if you so wanted to put in here, but it is not very deep, unfortunately. You only do have that much in width and depth, but still it's better than nothing here. You can just lock it back and you are good to go in that regard. But yeah, charging, I will say, is the only hindering factor here. Even with the new V4s, until the V4 cabinets roll out, it still is probably the slowest charging Tesla. Expect to add some time to your commute if you are traveling with this a long distance. But get ready, the holiday update's coming out. These lease incentives are here. Use that referral code down below. It will help you guys save some money and get yourself one of these babies if you're interested. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.